がけるワンダーライダー Nintendo はい。
Who got away, sir?
Mario escaped!
But that couldn't be. I tied him up real good like you said, boss.
You know what I do to second-rate lousy minions who can't follow orders?
Gives them a nice old pat on the back?
Ouch.
Wait! This might just work out better than planned! Isn't that right, princess?
Uh-oh.
Let me go! Mario's gonna take care of you. He's coming back for me. I just know it.
Exactly.
What do you mean? What are you up to, Bowser? Donkey Kong.
Alright, you ready, bro? Just like we talked about. Let's do it.
Go for it.
Hey! Kremlin creeps! Let him go.
And what are you gonna do about it, shorty?
This!
Oh yeah! Bro's attack, just like in Super Star Saga.
Here we go!
Okay! Ha, advance. Excellent! Gem.
Let's go, guys!
Go for it!
Thanks, Mario. You're the best, man.
Oh, the library.
Escaping now.
Zelda! Nice. Oh? Daisy!
Get me down from here!
Oh, nice.
Little help!
Uh-oh.
Huh?
Ha, nice catch. Oh.
Whoa.
Ah, Rosalina. Oh, nice. Oh my god, Link. Oh. Ollie.
Hurry back! Mwah!
Ugh.
He's going to have his goons everywhere, so we have to be on our toes. Everyone know the plan? I'll go in first, look for the others, then deal with Bowser. Luigi, you can keep watch, right?
I'll stay with Luigi.
Ha, yay.
Good luck, bro.
All right.
Oh!
Peach, are you alright?
Uh-oh.
Peach?
Wait, Mario, wait! It's a trap!
Peach?
It's a trap!
You okay?
Mario, wait! It's a trap! Bowser.
Help me!
Oh shit! Oh my god.
What a stooge! I knew you'd fall for that old trick. Well, old chum, seems like you're trapped. Again!
What did you do with Peach? Huh?
Oh!
You're not gonna get away with this, Bowser!
Oh, I already have exactly what I wanted. You bowing down in front of me and Peach. Every Koopa's dream. So, what do you have to say for yourself? You're disgraced, alone, and you lost.
There's one thing you got wrong, Bowser. I'll never be alone.
Oh?
Now, guys!
Oh! Oh yeah!
Oh, you brought your friends along. How adorable. It's still all of us versus only a few of you.
Oh yeah! You were saying? Oh!
Dances were for posers. This is so lame.
You idiots! Get them!
Go! Oh! Nice!
Oh, what do we have here? If it isn't our old pal, Mr. L.
Oh!
And
Oh!
he's with his widow girlfriend.
Looks like our old buddy needs a memory jog.
You said it.
Oh! Oh, nice! Samus. Shit!
You're uglier up close, aren't you?
Yeah, not so macho now, are you?
Huh?
Oh no!
Samus.
Oh! Whew. Now that's why I call Captain Falcon.
You like that? Take that!
Yeah, whip. Oh, Rosalinda. Look out! That frozen. Oh boy, that's the big one. Oh, Waluigi. Boom. Nice.
Are you okay?
Uh-oh. Oh, that hurt.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh.
Hey, you!
Oh, nice. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, nice.
Ouch!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Seriously? I thought this was all a big theater exercise, but no, you just punched me in the face. You took it too far. Everyone stop fighting right now. How does it look? Is it infected?
Oh my god. Oh, that hurts.
Oh, don't touch me. I'm out of here. Curse you, Donkey Kong. Nurse.
Hey, what a drama queen.
Hi.
Oh, kids.
Whoa, is that a real sight? That's so cool! I wish I had a sight. Where'd you get that robe? It's so dark and creepy. I could never pull it off. Are you a skeleton or is this just a mask? Can I call you Psyche or Grimmy Rita?
Make it stop! Make it stop!
Bile.
Well. If it ain't my old pal Kirby, you ready for a Royal Rumble? You said it, sire. Let's grab him.
Oh, come on, Kirby. Do your king. Do your king. Suck it. Suck it. I knew it.
Come on, Kirby. We was just playing.
Oh. That vampire guy. Oh. Oh, nice. That was Zelda.
Thanks, bro.
No problem. I mean,
No problem, man.
Oh my god.
Luigi!
Once the great Mr. L. Now look at you, a wee coward. Who's got nowhere to hide and scared on the inside?
An eternal understudy, so terrified to see me.
He's shaking in his shoes. It's the scaredy cat, Luigi.
Come on, Luigi. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them, Luigi.
Out of my head.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Luigi! You did it!
Oh.
No Mario to save you now.
Hey, circus freak! Get off my man!
Cry, Uncle! Not the face! Not the face!
Oh, big Mario.
It's a
Me?
No, you're not.
Tricks, dupless.
Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa! How'd you guess my name? Hey now, don't get mad. Imitation is the highest form of flattery. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh.
Dry clean only! Dry clean only! I wrinkle!
Haha, Luigi.
Looks like it's all come to this.
Bowser! We don't have to fight. Look at what you did to all these students. There has to be a good guy behind all this. You're not a bad person. Your ego just got the best of you. It's hard to open up and be vulnerable. Trust me. I know. But you don't need to control people for them to like you. People can change. Just look at me.
But I kind of feel like it won't be the same.
Finish it! Beat that monster! Give him what he deserves!
Come on, man, get him!
Come on, hurry up! Beat this bozo already!
That's the problem.
Oosh!
Mario!
I'm tired of looking at you. You lose, Mario. She's mine.
Come on, get up, Mario, get up! Get up!
Mario! Get up! You have to get up!
Peach.
Cool, nice, swing it! Swing it as you hard! Swing it as you can!
I had it. I was king. I won.
No, you're not. And you lost.
Mario! Mario!
Bro, you did it!
I thought I lost you.
Thank you for saving me. You're my hero.
Oh?
Hey, everyone! How about we slow things down a bit for our homecoming king and queen? This goes out to the special couple, Mario and Peach.
Yay! Perfect couples.
Thank you for saving me, Luigi. Mwah.
Ooh. Yeah, same old Luigi. Hey, is that Claude from Fire Emblem?
Come on, Link. Let's hit the dance floor.
Oh, Rosalina. Felt like she. Oh. look bad. Oh. Oh, Hopper. Ooh, fireworks. Oh yeah, yeah. All the logos of every Nintendo. Hmm?
Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching. And can someone get me down from here? I don't know how long I'm gonna last up here.
You could just pop the balloon instead. Oh. Sonic.
Nintendo High, huh? Sorry to keep you waiting.
What took you so long? In loving memory of Eleanor Savion. Nintendo High